Hello friends, myself Nilesh Subhachan Jain, lecturer at DCS Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhude. Today we are going to conduct the practical of the subject Pharmaceutics second. In that, before we complete the introduction of this practical. So, introduction to liquid dosage form, in that mixture. So mixture is a liquid preparation which is meant for oral administration, in which medicaments are dissolved or suspended in a suitable vehicle. There are 5 classes of mixture, that is mixture containing soluble medicament, mixture containing diffusible solid, mixture containing indiffusible solid, mixture containing potent medicament, and last one, that is mixture containing slightly soluble liquid. So first, that is simple mixture which contain soluble medicament. So simple mixture which contains only a soluble ingredients or drugs. Second class, that is mixture containing diffusible solids. So diffusible solids are insoluble in water, but they get evenly distributed on shaking the container throughout the liquid for sufficient period of time, so that when the patient take a medicament by spoon from container, the medicaments available in a right quantity. The example of diffusible solid, that is magnesium carbonate. Then third class, that is mixture containing indiffusible solids. So indiffusible solids are those solids which are not soluble in water and do not remain uniformly distributed in the vehicle for sufficient period of time. Therefore, suspending agent are added. The examples of suspending agent, that is CTP or mucilage of tragacan. The example of indiffusible solid, acetyl salicylic acid. So the example of suspending agent, that is compound tragacan powder, that is CTP, which is used in a 2%, that is 2 gram per 100 ml or 10 grain per fluid ounce of the total mixture. Then next, that is a tragacan mucilage, which is used in the proportion of 1/4 of total volume of the mixture. The compound tragacan powder is used when the vehicle is other than water or chloroform water, but tragacan mucilage is used when the vehicle is water or tragacan mucilage is used. The next class, that is mixture containing slightly soluble liquids. So the insoluble portion of slightly soluble liquid is not readily soluble. That's why suspending agent is needed or required. The example of suspending agent, that is compound tragacan powder or mucilage of tragacan, that is tragacan mucilage is used. And last class, that is a mixture containing potent medicament. So when a very small dose is prescribed for potent medicament which is not readily or which is not directly weighable, so minimum quantity, that is minimum weighable quantity is used and the required dilution are carried out to give a prescribed strength of formulation. The recommended containers for mixture, that is glass bottle with uniform internal diameter, and the special labeling instruction for mixture containing diffusible and indiffusible solid, that is check well before use. Now going to experiment number 11. So title of this experiment, that is to prepare and submit mixture containing diffusible solids. So in the proposition, that is bismuth carbonate, which is a diffusible solid. The learning objectives of this experiment, in that intellectual skill, in that to understand the formulation to mixture containing diffusible solid, and in motor skill, that is which gain through that experiment, that is ability to prepare and submit the prescription accurately. Apparatus required, that is mortar, pestle, measuring cylinder, muslin cloth, funnel media, etc. Now the prescription. So bismuth carbonate 1 gram, sodium bicarbonate 0.7 gram, tincture of belladonna 0.4 ml, purified water up to 30 ml, label 15 ml to be taken before meal, say 30 ml. Calculation factor, that is quantity required 30 ml and quantity given, that is 30 ml. So the factor will be 1. Then observation table, in that bismuth carbonate, which is used as a antibacterial as well as antidiarrheal. The quantity given in metric system, that is 1 gram. Quantity taken in metric system 1 gram, because the calculation factor is 1, that is quantity required and quantity taken are the same. That's why whole prescription, whole ingredient quantity as such. Then next, that is a sodium bicarbonate, which is used as a preservative. The quantity given in metric system 0.7 gram, quantity taken in metric system 0.7 gram. Tincture of belladonna, which is used in bowel syndrome. The quantity given in metric system 0.4 ml, quantity taken in metric system 0.4 ml. Then purified water, which is used as a vehicle, quantity given in a metric system, that is up to 30 ml, and quantity taken in a metric system again up to 30 ml. Direction, that is 15 ml to be taken before meal. The label of this mixture, that is mixture containing diffusible solid 30 ml. For, that is name of patient, registration number or register number, that is number in the register. Dispensed by, that is name of pharmacist, then date of dispensing. Storage condition required for this mixture, that is store in a cool and dark place. Additional direction required for this mixture, that is shake well before use. Direction for use, that is 15 ml to be taken before meal. Manufactured by, that is DCS, Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhule. Now going to procedure part. Start with the procedure. First we take bismuth carbonate into the mortar, then triturate properly. Then add sodium bicarbonate in that mortar. Again triturate that mixture properly. Then add 3/4 quantity of vehicle in that mixture gradually, and triturate that mixture to become a creamy in a nature. After addition of that 3/4 quantity of vehicle, examine the preparation. If there is a foreign particle is there, then filter through muslin cloth. Then add belladonna tincture. Then rinse the mortar with remaining quantity of vehicle. Now measure the volume of that mixture up to 30 ml. Volume makeup, then transfer to container. Cork that container properly, then polish that container with paper or cloth and attach the label and submit the preparation. Thank you.